Welcome to this Transforming Learning 5 video on Safari tips, hiding distracting items.
Have you ever wanted to hide some distracting items on a web page? Maybe a website you like to use has always got adverts down the side, or maybe there's just some distracting parts of the site that you're not wanting to use. Well, in Safari, we can hide these distracting items. In the address bar on the left-hand side, tap the reader icon and we have this menu here. Tap on Hide Distracting Items, and now as we hover over different parts of the website, we have the option to hide them. We just simply tap and they disappear. This is only disappearing on your version of the website and won't affect the site in any way. Once I've hidden everything that I want to hide, tap the tick at the top, and the website is now set like that just on your device, and you can start interacting with the bits that you haven't hidden. If you want to change any of that or undo the bits that you've hidden, tap the reader icon again, and you'll see we now have the option to show hidden items. We can also use hide distracting items if I'm just wanting some particular information on a website. I'm on BBC Bitesize here, and I'm in their What is an Adjective. The only bits of information that I'm wanting is the Why do we use adjectives part. Now I could line the web page up to take a screenshot of that, but I could also make use of the hide distracting items to help me. Tap on the reader icon, hide distracting items, and then we can just tap the parts of the website that we're wanting to hide. Now I can take a screenshot, or I could just make use of this site when I'm sharing my iPad screen with my learners. What are some of the ways that you could make use of hide distracting items?